Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. Today, I'm going to make a cornmeal pudding, a small one. So follow me on that one. Yeah. So right here, guys, I have 1.5 cup of cornmeal, and I have half cup of flour. I have a half tablespoon of nutmeg, half tablespoon of cinnamon powder, half tablespoon of mixed spice. So I'm going to mix this in well. Smells so good. And I have a half tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of salt. Guys, my flour already sieved and my cornmeal. So now I'm gonna flavor my coconut milk. So this is 1 cup of sugar, and I'll add some more mixed spice and cinnamon. Guys, this is optional. This is some ginger. I'm gonna put maybe a tablespoon in. And some melted butter. I'll add some half tablespoon of nutmeg. Some vanilla. So 2 tablespoons of vanilla. So guys, I'm gonna add some shredded coconut to this. This is optional, but I love coconut. Mix this in. Now I'm gonna add some of my flavored coconut milk. Guys, now I'm gonna put in a couple of my coconut, and then I'm gonna leave the rest to go on top. Put a little bit more in there. So I already have a greased pan, so now I'm gonna throw my butter in. Sprinkle a little more coconut. I love coconut so much. I'm putting no more. So now guys, I'm gonna give it a nice to get out any bubbles that is in there. And now I'm going to add it to my preheated oven. for about 40 minutes, guys. So guys, this is in the oven for almost half an hour because this is a small one. So what I'm going to do is left some of the leftover coconut juice, that is flavor. I'm going to add it for the custard on top. Now I'm going to add this back into the oven. Guys, check in. Look at my caramel pudding. Look at that beautiful custard forming on the top. In a few, it will be ready. Check in, guys. Look how beautiful this caramel pudding look. Smell delicious. Smell amazing, and I know it's delicious. So now I'm going to allow it to cool for another 20 or half an hour. Then I'm going to cut into this. I'm telling you. So guys, my caramel pudding is cool. So now I'm going to cut nice little piece. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Amazing. I'm going to dig into this. Taste this goodness. Guys, this caramel pudding is so nice. So guys, this would go nice with a nice cup of tea, mint tea, hot chocolate, anything you prefer. So guys, we have made it to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend if you tell a friend, and remember say, we say Jamaica.